First game, gusto ko mag-Guinevere miss ko na kasi main hero ko to dati sa account ko na nahack. Tapos nakalimutan ko na wala pala kaming core. Tapos dito tingin na lang kayo kung paano ko sila ambakan, ay istitalunan. Shout out sa you par at saka sa mga supporter ko, thank you po. Ayun, nanalo kami kahit walang core. Second game, wala nang intro, bakbakan na agad. Third game, dito level 4 pa lang Bardigolan na agad sa may red buff namin.
I can't lead a team to victory. Got the first blood, so legendary. Thinking you are alcohol, deeper. Never see you moving down the coast drop. Epic fight queen, that's so hot. Let's celebrate, we got to shine.
Unahin ko sana yung Parsa, kaso naawa ako sa Sun kaya dun na lang ako sa dalawa kisa sa isa. Tas dito subukan ko agawin yung Lord tas kunting Bardagulan na naman. Dito nakachamba pa ako ng mini-app, Music Maestro.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. It's straight to now, let's catch me now. I don't even wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling down.
Sa wakas panalo kami. Ang nawala kong star bumalik na ngayon.